guys, it's your girl SANDRA here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously I know it's been a while since I've posted. I think it's been a few weeks now. I finally decided to sit down because I have all of my subscription boxes for this month. So I have Ipsy, obviously you can tell by the title that we'll be going over today. This is just the base box that we have here for us, and then another video I'll be doing soon will be doing Boxy Charm, which will have my Boxy Charm base box and my Boxy Charm premium box, which I have sitting back over there, which I'm going to film right after this one. But yeah, I kind of just want to go over what I got in my Ipsy subscription box this month. Am I still excited about Ipsy or not? Are you guys excited about Ipsy? I feel like it's a hit and miss. Every single time Ipsy's been a huge hit and miss for me, and Boxy Charm's been doing the same lately. I just don't know if this has all caused a little bit of a ruckus and supplies that they're able to get for, you know, these past months since we've kind of been stuck inside during a, you know, that word quarantine. I know there's a little bit of debacle of what words you can say on here and you can't say on here if you get demonetized. Obviously, I ain't gotta worry about that because I don't have enough subscribers to get demonetized to even be monetized right now. But if you want to help me get to there, that would be great. Just go ahead, you know, hit that little subscribe button down below, you know, notifications, all that shebang. Would love for you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, I love beauty on here. If it's your first time to my channel, I do a lot of subscription reviews. I also do a lot of makeup reviews, all those little different things like that. So yeah. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this box. Again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl SANDRA. Alright, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So starting off, obviously we do have our base box. If you don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription box, which there are 3 different tiers to it, I believe. There is the like $10 to $12 box, which you get just like mini samples. It's actually just a bag. And then you also have the regular GLAM bag plus box, which is $25. And then you also have like their big like luxy kind of luxurious box. I don't know, that one's $50. These are all just month to month. It's not like Boxy Charm where you choose the tier and that's when you get month to month, or with like their Boxy Luxe, that one you get every like quarterly, every few months, or is that every 3 months? I forget what it is. Anyways, so yeah, we have Ipsy right here. This is what we're talking about today. This is $25 a month plus tax and shipping, and then you are supposed to get a maximum or you're supposed to get a minimum of $120 or plus in this box. So again, you're paying $25 for a combined price of over $120 in different types of products, from skincare to hair care, makeup, all those different types of things like that, just based on the quiz that you decide to take. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I do have a lot of other videos just like this one, but I also will leave a link down below. It's not an affiliate link whatsoever. The only thing I get out of it is I get points towards more makeup, which is also towards giveaways and other things like that that I do on this channel, with all the extensive makeup that I get in these, you know, subscription boxes that we're talking about here. So let's just go ahead and start off with, you know, just, it says the theme for this box is full bloom, obviously because we are going into springtime right now. At the moment, I do live in Indiana, and I know a lot of you guys have been experiencing a little bit of different weather going on. One day it's like 60 degrees, the next day it's 40 degrees, and it's snowing outside. That's what's been happening here in the Midwest. So I wish Mother Nature would just make up her mind and just let us have spring already, please. That would be so great. So great. Anyways, so we do have a few different mixture of products in here for us to look at. This is the bag that we have to work with. Now, I heard there were 2 different types of bags. There was this one that has a zipper, and then the Ipsy little you know, wooden part here that has Ipsy on it. And there also was a drawstring bag. There's a mother-daughter duo that I watch here on YouTube. They have a smaller YouTube channel, but they do a lot of subscriptions as well. And they both got the $25 worth, you know, box that we're doing right now, but one of them got a box and one of them got a bag. And then one of them got this bag, and then one got the drawstring bag. So different, so odd, so weird. But yeah, there's different bags that are out there. It's super cute though. I do like it. For sure. I definitely like to use these bags, if some of you guys don't know, for like giveaways. I throw this stuff in here so it's a little extra protected. Or, you know, as girls, we like to throw this and put like lipstick or other makeup products and chuck it into our purse. So we have, you know, our own little kit on the go. So perfect to have that. And then the products that we have here. So I've got a total of 5 products on my lap. All of these right here for us. We'll go over the prices towards the end so that everyone's able, we'll just add it all up, you know. Alright, so starting off with the biggest item in here for us, this is going to be the Sela Cream Rose, Very Best Cream Rose lotion. So it's from seed to skin, delicious, aromatic with notes of sweet jasmine, peach, rose water, enriched with Canadian botanicals. Don't know how to say that, oil, some butter in there. It's good for hydrating the skin and to soften the skin. So just go ahead and massage it in and you'll be good to go. I love hand lotions and creams. I can never have enough of these. So this is the packaging right here for us. Super cute. I do love the gold detailing on it, and it's like purple. So this is a pretty good size hand cream. It has 4 ounces in here, which is also 120 milliliters. So there is that. Then the next item that we have in here, which is the item I was able to pick for myself this month, was the Tarteist eyeliner right here for us. A double take eyeliner. It has 2 dual sides. I always love eyeliners. I can never have enough of them. I have found a Holy Grail eyeliner, which is the one I have in my eyes right now. But I'm always looking for, you know, the next best thing. Except I don't think anyone can beat it because the price is there, the formula is there, the way it applies is there. So, but hey, you know, I'm excited to at least get, you know, a high-end eyeliner every now and then. So it does have the regular kind of gel side to it or pencil side to it, and then you do have the felt tip eyeliner right there for us. So that's cool, and obviously this is in black for us to try and use. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the packaging, and my hair keeps sticking to my lip gloss. Love that. So there is that for us. The next product we have, which goes hand in hand with eyeliner, you've got a mascara in here. So this is by Ciate London. This is their triple shot extra large mascara, extreme lengthening and volumizing fiber mascara. So this is the cute packaging. I love that. And then let's see what the mascara looks like. So it's kind of just a basic black tube. I don't want to go ahead and open it, but if I can find a picture for you right here. The only reason why I don't want to open it yet is because I've got like 12 mascaras behind me that are open that I probably should go through first before I open up another one. So there's that for us, but you know, you can never have enough mascaras. I've got plenty for a very, very long time, even though they keep coming out with new mascaras that I kind of want to try. Do I need them? No, but you know you want to buy them when they get overhyped. So there's that. And then the next thing we have in here is a liquid matte lipstick from Dose of Colors for us, and this is in Old Flame. This color is just right up my alley. I love colors like this so much. This I will swatch for you right here in my hand. It is just that beautiful, like peachy, burnt orange type of color. I love colors like this so much, especially going into you know, springtime. It's just like a perfect complementary color, especially to my fair skin, which I really should probably get back on my tanning game. I do have self-tanners that I need to use because they're just sitting in a drawer in my bathroom, and I have all the stuff that goes to it, but do I ever feel like taking the time? No, but your girl hates being pale at the same time too. So that's something I definitely should start doing again. But that color looks amazing on my fair skin, and definitely looks good on me, especially even when I'm tan as well. And then the next, or the last thing we have here for us, because you get 5 products, this is the 5th product. This is the Mainly Secret Illuminator, a good night's sleep and a flash is what it says. So let's go ahead and take this out. I was having trouble taking it out a second ago, and you know, I broke the packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like on it, and I definitely am intrigued by this. So let's see if we can get anything out. It's not a push, it's a twist. Okay, how long is this gonna take us?
Oh my goodness, what is going on? This is annoying. Going to like right downwards. Still nothing. Nope.
There it goes. Okay. Finally got it out, guys. So it is, that's a lot of product. Oops. Probably should have stopped, and now I'm just wasting it. But that is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a concealer meets a highlighter mixed all into one. I'm scared to put it in here in case I waste the product, but it's gonna get stuck, isn't it? But yeah, alright, so we were able to get that out. That is what it looks like. It's kind of like a highlighter meets a concealer, kind of all in one. It is a very light shade for sure. I do want to try this out the next time I put my makeup on because I've always been interested in these. I know YSL has something that's like this. I know Milani and I think Maybelline or CoverGirl came up with something like this as well recently. So it's something that's, you know, floating around there that's piqued my interest that I've been wanting to try. So let's just go ahead and add all this up and see if we got our full money's worth in this box. So the Ciate mascara was $22. The Crim Rose Sela hand cream was $39. Jesus, $39 for that little thing. The Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner is $24, which I knew that was probably going to be expensive. The Melee Beauty Secret Illuminator is $19. And then Dose of Colors, because I own a few of these and I purchased them myself, I already knew that was going to be $18. So I've already gone ahead and added that up on my phone, and that comes out to be a total of $122. So we're supposed to get a value of at least $120 or more. So they only beat it by $2, but I guess I paid $25, but still got my money's worth. But do I feel like I got things that I would like? So in the sense of everything that I got in here, I'm actually extremely happy with this box for once. The lip color is great. The illuminator that I've been wanting to try is great. Mascara and eyeliner. I've gotten plenty of mascaras and eyeliners in these boxes, but obviously I chose the Tarte one. And then the other mascara by Ciate I've never tried, but we've been getting a lot of Ciate products, so it makes me question the quality or anything about it. When I start seeing repeat products or repeat, you know, names of brands in these subscription boxes, it kind of makes me wonder, like, how they get all this stuff. I know I've heard that, you know, Ipsy and Boxy Charm like buys a lot of this stuff in bulk and they get it for a, you know, reasonable price, so they're able to actually put it into all these boxes. But sometimes it's like overstock that some of these brands have, or maybe it's like collaborations that they've decided, you know, a long time in advance. I don't really know if that's true or not from what I've heard, but I don't know. If you guys know, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And what did you think of this box? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Again, I like it so far. So obviously I've already peeked into my Boxy Charm and Boxy Charm Premium, which you guys will see in the next video. And you should definitely stay tuned to see that video because there's something big gonna happen in that one. So again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. Alright, I will see you in the next one. Bye.